Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the extensions view and installing what you need now. Once done, make sure to sign into your account to sync settings. Search by exact names to avoid clones, then click Install on Language Support, Formatter, Linter, and Debug adapters. After installation, enable Auto Update so extensions stay current. If prompted, reload the window. That applies the extension immediately. This gets you from 0 to ready in a few focused actions without wasting time on optional extras. Once extensions are installed, configure them to work together. Open the gear icon and edit settings for each extension so they don't conflict. Make sure to apply workspace level settings in VSCode/settings. JSON when a project needs special rules. This keeps global config clean. Map key bindings for common commands and enable format on save while setting a default formatter to avoid race conditions. Also, integrate linters with your task runner or pre-commit hooks so automation enforces standards across the team. Finish by auditing performance. Open the extension host profile and disable any unused extensions that slow startup. Pin essential tools to the activity bar for fast access and run a quick performance check so you can spot regressions. Keep extensions updated and confirm they're compatible with your VSCode version. If something breaks, restart with extensions disabled or use safe mode to isolate the culprit. Once identified, reinstall or report the issue with logs. This single troubleshooting tip saves hours when extensions misbehave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.